Okay class, so we continue with the example for CDF. Okay, we do it for CDF now. Okay, the previous one is PDF, so in this video I will give you example on CDF. So we will do example 4.4 page 78. Okay, example 4.4 page 78. So the question asks you to refer to example 4.2. Okay, we will use the same example as 4.2, but 4.2 is for PDF, right? Okay, so example 4.2, refer that. So the question asks you to determine the cumulative distribution function or CDF. So we need to find CDF. So the first step is, okay, we will write the capital F here. You can see that there's capital F, and then we will integrate. Okay. We will integrate from negative infinity until infinity. So, which means that you will integrate from negative 1 until 2. Okay. So then the function here, it gives you in the question example 4.2 just now is x squared over 3, is it? But we don't use x for now. We will use t squared over 3. We will use t. Okay, we will use t. Sorry class, this one not 2, this one will be 1. X class. X supposed to be x. Negative 1, yes, negative 1 is the starting point, but we will integrate until x. Okay, until x. So, and then the function that we use same function, but we change the variable. Instead of x, we use t. Okay, t squared over 3. The rest will be equal lah. So then you need to integrate respect to t. So integrate, okay, we will get t cubed over 9. Okay. You can check back the previous example. Suppose you get the same answer lah, or the same equation. Just the variable. Okay, the difference is just on the variable. Then you will substitute negative 1x. That's why, okay, x lah. Okay, that's why we use t here, because we have x here. So takkanlah sini x. Okay, kalau sini x, how come? Because this one also x. So that's why we change it become t cubed or t. So it will give you x power 3 over 9 minus, so plus lah. Okay, 1 over 9. Okay, and if you simplify, you factorize because both have 1 over 9. Okay, kalau you tak tulis, you akan nampak lah sini 1 over 9. So we take out 1 over 9, so we left with x cubed plus 1. Okay, so this is your fx. Okay, this is your fx, capital Fx. Okay, how to write your CDF? Okay, fx equal to, so this one represent your CDF lah. Kalau you jumpa je this type of symbol ataupun ni, and they have a capital F, capital F, not a small f, f yang besar. So, okay, we just substitute inside here. So, and then this function, we will use when your x is between negative 1 and 2. And then the rest, okay, we have also the before it, which is 0. And we also have the number after it, which is 1. Because we know that the total of the cumulative until at the end, the total must be 1. Okay, so the total here must be when your x is greater than equal to 2. And this one is when your x is greater or less than negative 1. Okay, either one lah. Kalau sini you dah buat include, so that's why kat sini you tak perlu include lah. Okay, but for continuous, as I said, it doesn't matter. Okay, the symbol is doesn't matter. Tak ada masalah pun symbol tu kalau you salah tulis. But for discrete, yes, it's very particular about the symbol. Okay, so this is your CDF. Okay class, this is your CDF. So I just recall back how to get your CDF. We will integrate it we will follow the interval given. Okay, interval tu maksudnya from what value to what value lah. For example, okay, so we have negative 1, but we will integrate just until x. Okay, don't follow the integral. Don't follow the interval. The interval give you negative 1 until 2, is it? Okay, betul, until 2. But we don't use that 2 kita tak ada. We just integrate until x. So this is how we find the CDF. Okay, right? So for B, the B question asks you to find the probability of X -1. Okay, so they have two ways lah. Okay, actually this question kita dah buat tadi. I already show you for in the previous example that we use PDF to solve it, to get the answer of it. But now we also can use CDF to get the answer for it, and you will get the same answer. Okay, for how to answer if in terms of CDF. Okay, so this one you can write like this. Okay, P x less than 1 minus P x less than 0. Okay, betul simbol, tapi tak ada masalah. Macam saya cakap, cuma if you want to use correctly, then it's okay lah. It's good lah for you kalau you tulis betul-betul macam ni. Okay, alright. So then how to get this one? Okay, this one P x less than or equal to 1 actually is F1. Okay, this one is your F1, and this one F0. Even though it's not included, tapi it's still F0. Okay, so then how to get F1? Okay, you already built your CDF here, right? So you just substitute. Okay, because this is S1. Okay, where is 1 actually? 1 is here. Okay, 1 is here. So you will use this function. So what we do here is you use this function and then you substitute x equal to 1. So it becomes 1 cube plus 1. And how about F0? F0 is x0. So x0 is here. So it's 0 lah. Okay. And then you will have 2/9. 2/9. Minus it. Minus or plus? Oh, okay. Class, alright. This 0 less than 0. Oh, okay. 0 actually is inside here, class. My bad. Okay, my bad. Sorry my bad. Saya salah tadi. 0 actually is inside here because this is -1. So 0 is included here. Okay, tadi saya ternampak macam ni 1. Okay, actually they have negative here. So means that -1. So means that when you want to calculate 0, so we will use the same category lah. Okay, because 0 is inside here. So that's mean we will use the same function. Okay, so this one 2/9 minus 1/9. Therefore, you will get the answer is 1/9. Okay, class, sorry because of I just salah tengok lah. Okay, they have negative in front here, so that means 0 is between this range. Okay, not this one lah. Sebab tadi saya tersalah, tak nampak negatif ni. Okay, alright. Okay, so as I mentioned, I repeat again. So 1 is under this interval, so that's why we use this function. Same goes to 0. 0 also lies in this interval, so we will use this function. So what we do next is just substitute 1 into your x, 0 into your x, then you combine or you calculate it, so then you will get the answer 1/9. So if you check back the answer that you get here with the previous example 4.2, okay, example 4.2, we find this probability by using PDF. We get 1/9, is it? Okay, so now we use CDF and we still get 1/9, which is yes, correct. We need to get the same answer. Okay, so it's up to you. If you have this type of question, it's up to you if you want to solve PDF or CDF. But I prefer PDF. PDF because if you want to use CDF, you need to create this one first. You need to create this CDF first, baru you boleh solve guna CDF lah for this part. Kan, kalau you tak create, you tak boleh solve guna CDF. So means that you need to use a PDF. Okay, alright, class. So I think that's all. Okay, if you want to get a more understanding on this CDF, you may refer or you may do it by yourself, and you may refer on my video as a reference. Okay, so you can solve another example that in the PDF notes or in the example 4.5. Okay, So you can solve by yourself lah. Alright class, so I will stop now for this video, and then I will do the next video for expected values and variance.